The Genesis Electrified GV70's iPedal system provides one-pedal driving and maximum regen braking without having to use the brake pedal. To engage iPedal, pull the left paddle shifter to increase the regen braking system level. After increasing the regen braking system beyond level 3, iPedal will be automatically activated. The instrument cluster should then indicate when iPedal has been engaged. When iPedal is active, releasing the accelerator pedal will automatically engage the brakes. Max regen deceleration can also be engaged manually by pulling and holding in the left paddle shifter. The cluster will indicate when max regen is active. Max regen can even bring the vehicle to a complete stop and decelerates as long as the left pedal is pulled and held down. If the vehicle is switched to reverse, iPedal is turned off and the regenerative braking is turned to level 3. If the vehicle is turned off, iPedal is deactivated, and when the vehicle is turned back on, regen braking will be automatically set to level 3. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.